Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you if you are trying to upload an Instagram reel but getting this error, reel not uploaded, something went wrong. Please try again later. So don't worry, in this video I will show you the quick and easy ways to fix it right now. So first, make sure your internet connection is stable. If you are using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. If you are on Wi-Fi, try restarting your router. A weak or unstable connection is the most common reason why reels fail to upload. Okay, so first you need to sort out your internet issue. Okay, so if the internet is working fine on another app, so only you're facing the problem in Instagram, at that time you can try the next method. Okay, now you need to update the Instagram app. So open the Play Store. If you are using the iPhone, open the App Store. So just simply search the Instagram, and if the app update is available, so simply go ahead, update the app. Outdated version of Instagram often cause upload error. Okay, so always keep your app up to date. Now you need to try the next method, and now you need to clear the cache of the app. So just simply tap and hold on your app, go to app info, scroll down, open the storage, clear the caches. Okay, so this removes temporary glitches and free up some storage space. Okay, after doing this guys, now you need to check the size and format of your video. Make sure your reel is in MP4 format and under Instagram uploaded size limit. Okay, if your video is too large, so at that time you need to compress it using any video compressor app before uploading. Okay, so this is the main important setting you need to remember, and then you need to log out and log in again on your app. So sometimes a simple re-login can fix the issue. Okay, and then you need to restart your phone. After restarting, open the app, try to uploading your reel. Finally, if you have tried everything and still can't upload it, might be Instagram's problem. Okay, sometimes their server are down. In that case, just wait a while and try again later. Okay, and that's it. These are the best solution to fix the Instagram reel not uploading error. If this video help you, make sure to give a like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friend who are also facing this issue. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.